Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 6 plus 3 multiplied by 5 over 2. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Now we have one addition, one division, and one multiplication. According to the rule, first we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. Numerator is 8 plus 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 5, and denominator is 2. So first we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. So according to the rule, first we solve parentheses, inside of the parentheses first we solve exponent, parentheses, then exponent. So there is no exponent, then we solve multiplication or division. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have in left side multiplication or division, in left side we have division. So first we solve division, then we solve multiplication. So 8 plus 6 divided by 3, they give us 2, and multiply by 5. And denominator. So now we solve multiplication, then we solve addition. So 8 plus 2 times 5, they give us 10 divided by 2. And 8 plus 10, they give us 18 over 2, and 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, so they give us 9. So the final answer is 9. Thanks for watching.